Hi and welcome to Wefixphonez. Looking to get your mobile phone or tablet repaired? Are you considering taking your device to a local repair store? A word of warning. Did you know statistics show on average 30% of local store repairs go wrong? A simple screen or battery replacement can damage the motherboard if a technician lacks experience on a certain device. In some cases, the store will take no liability. Don't risk falling into the 30% statistic category. On our website, you will find laser-targeted specific postal repair services for your device. Select your repair and you will be redirected to eBay and follow the instructions on how to send your device by post. With highly trained technicians who perform the most complex repairs with power seller feedback. Not to mention the added benefits of eBay and PayPal buyer protection. Now ask yourself, which is the better option?